Hey guys, this is Lester Diaz and welcome to this CraigsList training. And what I'm going to do in this training is basically break down the entire process of how to really take advantage of Craigslist, how to post on multiple cities, what type of tools I use, exactly the process that I use to post on Craigslist so you can replicate exactly what I'm doing. Now, the key, one of the best places to generate leads and traffic for this system is using Craigslist. The reason is there's a lot of people that are looking are looking for ways to make extra cash, or they're looking to work part-time hours, and this system is an opportunity for you to actually show people that they can actually work from home, that they can make money online using this very simple system that we have set up here. So this is gonna be a sort of like a long training. So remove all distractions so you know exactly what you're gonna be doing. Make sure that if you need to watch this video again, that you do that, and take notes if you have to. You can just you can watch this video again, but if you have to, take some notes, because there's a few steps that you need to take in order to actually post on Craigslist successfully. So with that said, let's talk about some of the things that you'll need, some of the tools that you actually need to start posting on Craigslist. And these tools are gonna make your life a lot easier. And trust me, in the beginning, I didn't know anything about posting on Craigslist. I actually bought a few products to teach me all this stuff, because I had no idea how to really take advantage of Craigslist. And even though Craigslist gets 15 million visitors per month, I had no idea how to tap into that and get some of that traffic. So now, with what I'm going to show you, you can start making money today, if you want to, actually, because it's gonna be very easy to do, and you'll be able to start generating traffic on demand. So let's begin. The first thing that I want you to keep in mind is that Craigslist, with Craigslist, you're gonna need multiple accounts and phone verified accounts. If you're living in the United States, Canada, or the UK, you can get phone verified accounts in a website called pvaspot.com. Let me go to a website so I can show you. You can actually go and buy phone verified accounts for Craigslist, and what that means is that you're gonna have an account that you can buy, you can use for Craigslist. And I'm gonna show you how to change your IP address so you can start posting, even if you live in Canada and the UK, and if you live in the United States and you want to post in multiple cities. But this is a website, pvaspot.com, that you can use to buy phone numbers to verified Craigslist accounts. And I'm going to show you just the process to do that. But if you're living in the United States, what would I actually suggest is that you get yourself at least 3 Gmail accounts. And Gmail is one of the best email providers out there. Gmail accounts, you sign up 3 Gmail accounts, and make sure that you get you write the password and all that information. Why? Because it's gonna be a lot easier for you to generate traffic if you have multiple Craigslist accounts, and it's all gonna make sense at the end of this video, trust me. But one of the first tools that I want to recommend that you get right away is this tool called LastPass. This is a tool that I use on a daily basis, and what it does basically is it remembers your passwords and your usernames and email addresses. It remembers everything. And basically, when I go to Craigslist, let me give you an example. If you have multiple accounts, multiple Gmail accounts, let me go to Gmail actually to show you what I mean. And as you can see, it already fills up the information with the password, and I can actually go and I can choose which email I want to use to log in. So this is perfect to stay organized, so you don't have a book with with hundreds of email accounts and login information. This is gonna remember everything under one account and a master password. So I strongly suggest that you get this LastPass. You can go to lastpass.com or go to Google and type LastPass, and you can download it for free. It's a simple little icon that's gonna go in your browser, and basically it's going to ask you to remember username information, password, and all that. Now I believe LastPass works for any browser. I believe they work for Internet Explorer, as you can see right here, Mozilla Firefox, Chrome. So you can download it and use it in any browser that you want. You can download it for free. You can get a free account. So that's gonna help you stay organized with your email. If you have multiple email accounts, if you have multiple CraigsList accounts, if you have multiple YouTube accounts, this is what's gonna help you stay organized, so you don't have to remember all those passwords and emails and usernames. So that's tip number one. The second tool that you'll need is one called CCleaner. Now this one is again 100% free, and this is going to allow you to stay safe in Craigslist. What I mean by that is this little tool, it's 100% free. You can download it, go on Google and type CCleaner, or just go to ccleaner.com, and you can download it for free. And what's gonna do is it's gonna clean your browsing history and your cookies, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and you basically, once you download it, you simply click where it says run cleaner, and it's gonna clean your browsing history, your cookies, everything related to your browsing activity. So this is good mainly because when you have multiple Craigslist accounts, you want to make sure that before you log in into every Craigslist account that you have, that you actually clean your cookies and browsing history and all that. So this is the second tool that you'll need in order to make that happen. So once you have LastPass and CCleaner downloaded, the last thing that I want you to do is to stay organized when it comes to your Craigslist advertising. For example, I have right here, Craigslist, they only allow you to post 3 ads per day every 48 hours. So if you have a Craigslist account already, you can only post on that account every 48 hours. You can't post an ad every single day. So what I have is basically multiple Gmail accounts, as you can see, and basically I have Craigslist accounts created with this email address. I have phone verified accounts, and what happens is every 48 hours I go back to those emails and I look to see which Craigslist accounts I haven't actually posted. As you can see, I have right here the date, the last date that I actually posted. So today's the 7th, so that means that I can post on this Craigslist account today, and basically because I haven't posted and it's been more than 48 hours. So this is how you're going to remember exactly on which Craigslist accounts you're posting on a daily basis. So this works as a way to remember which ones have you posted in the last 48 hours. So as you can see, I put the date. So when I finish today posting on this account, I'm gonna put here the date, today's date, and I'm gonna save it, and then I'm gonna go tomorrow, and I know that I have to post on this one because it's been more than 48 hours. So I'll do the same thing and change the date to whatever tomorrow's date is. So this is a way for you to stay organized when it comes to knowing when to post on that specific Craigslist account. So this is a little tip. Hopefully it helps you. It's gonna help you stay organized. I say that you don't need 5, 6, 7 Craigslist accounts. You can get started with 3. Once you actually get the hang of posting on 3, then you can, if you want more traffic, more leads, then you can really get more Craigslist accounts. You can get 5, 6, 7. You can buy the phone verified accounts over at pbspot.com, but get started with 3. And if you live in the United States, what you can do is you can go to a friend. First thing that you should be doing is create your email addresses like I did, and then once you have your email address, sign up for Craigslist. Craigslist is not going to ask you for a phone verification until you start posting an ad. So the first thing that you should do is create your email, create your Craigslist accounts, and then once you start posting, it's gonna ask you for a phone verification. Now you can go to a friend, you can go to a family member. 90% of the time you'll find someone in your family who can let you borrow their number. They're only gonna send you a text message or phone call to get a code that you put on CraigsList to verify your account. And you can use the daughter's phone, your son's, your uncle, whatever it is, but just get 3 people who can actually let you borrow their phone so you can verify your CraigsList accounts. Once you have your accounts verified, then you can start posting without any problems. And I would say get started with 3 accounts first, and then once you get the hang of that, then you can move on to more accounts. So this is a simple way to stay organized. Again, let's talk about LastPass. It will allow you to remember email addresses, username, password, and all that. CCleaner is going to help you clean your cookies and browsing history, so you need that as well. And this is going to help you remember in which accounts you have posted in the last 48 hours. So this is a very simple method that I use on a daily basis. So now let's actually get into the posting of multiple cities. And for that, there's a software called Hide My Ass, and it's a software that's been around for a very long time. Now keep in mind that this software is not free. It's only about 10 to 11 bucks a month. I'm not quite sure exactly how much it is, but it's gonna be well worth it, and it's gonna pay itself. And I'll show you, because with this software it's what's going to allow you to basically post on any city in the United States that you want for CraigsList. So this is I've been using this software on a daily basis, and I got ads all over the United States, over my state, and it's very easy to use. There's no complicated setup. You simply go to the website. I'm gonna put a link below this video so you can go and download the website. Like I said, it's only about, I think, 11 bucks a month, and once you download it, you're gonna get a username and a password, and you simply pick which city you want to post on. Now keep in mind that most of the cities that they have here, CraigsList will actually charge you to post on those cities. But the trick is you don't post on paid cities unless you want to, of course. Let me show you what I mean by that. If I go to let me go up for a second. As you can see, Florida, Miami. If I go to CraigsList and I type let me go down for a second, Florida, and we're gonna go to I believe, okay, let me go here for a second so I can find the top cities, US cities. There you go. As you can see, these are the top cities on CraigsList. They get the most traffic, but they will actually charge you $25 to post on those cities. So you do not want to actually post on these cities, because no, you don't want to pay. You want to make sure that you get free traffic. So most of the cities that they have here are actually paid cities on CraigsList. So you can use this to actually post on those cities even if you're not living there, but you're gonna have to pay $25 to post on them. But what I do is I will actually change, for example, I will actually change to a city like Miami, and I will actually go, and I'm gonna show you this in detail, but let me go click on Miami, and as you can see, it says nearby CraigsList. So these are the cities that you will actually be allowed to post for free, because these are surrounding cities around Miami. For example, let me go, and if I type for example, let's do Florida Keys. That's a city that you can post for free. Fort Lauderdale, Heartland, these are all free cities that you can post for free, and they actually get a lot of traffic. So not necessarily you have to pay the $25. So as you can see, Hide My Ass actually works. You simply have to post on the surrounding cities. So with that said, guys, Hopefully I'm not going too fast. Like I said, if you need to watch this video again, please do so. There's a lot of information when it comes to actually posting on Craigslist, but I want to make sure that I give you, all the details and the small things that you need to know before I actually start posting. So I'm actually gonna go and show you what type of ads I'm posting, and I'm going to log in into one of my accounts, show you more information. Then we're going to go into some of the things that you need to know in detail, and let's do that right now. So the first thing that I'm going to do is clear my browsing histories and cookies, because before I log into my account I want to make sure that I do that. So let me do that right now. So I'm gonna open CCleaner, and I'm going to basically close all tabs. Alright, so now I have closed all my tabs, and it says, as you can see, this process will delete files from your system. Press OK, and right now it's gonna clean all my cookies and browsing history. Now this is the first thing that you should be doing before you actually go into the posting and all that. This is before you log in into your Craigslist account. That's it, it's done. So now that we have that set up, now we can open again. We can open, go to our browser again, and everything should be clean. So let's go and use our software now, and let me show you first how to check your IP address. First thing you need to do is go to Google and type "where's my IP address." Not only is going to show you your IP address, but it's also going to show you your location. For example, I live in Florida, so as you can see, that's my IP address, and this is the website that I use on a daily basis to make sure that Hide My Ass is actually working. So let me go back, and I'm going to go to Hide My Ass, and let me go, and I'm gonna say that I'm gonna post on let me go to, let's see, let me go, let's see which city I want to go to post. Okay, so I can see Miami. Okay, let's pick Orlando. So I'm gonna click Orlando, and then I'm gonna click connect to VPN. So that's exactly Hide My Ass. That's just how it works. There's no complicated setup. Once you download it, you simply put your username and password and click connect to whatever IP address you want to connect to. And what it does, basically, it means that every internet provider has a different IP address depending on where you're located. In this case, my IP address, it starts like that because I'm located in Southwest Florida, but it changes depending on where you live. So let's go and make sure that my IP address actually changed, and this is what it says right now that my IP address actually is. So we're gonna go, and I'm gonna type "where's my IP address" again, and you should see this is the website that I use, wheremyipaddress.com. Click on that, and there you go, Orlando, Florida. So it says right now that I'm in Orlando, Florida, and I'm not. So this is very powerful software, as you can see, that you can use to post on multiple cities on Craigslist. So now that we have changed your IP, now make sure that every time you're using Hide My Ass, that you are checking your IP address on this website, mainly because sometimes some of the servers are going to be down, or they're going to have some problems. But 99% of the time it works very well. But you do always have to make sure that you actually check your IP and your location to make sure that it has changed. So now that it has changed, let me go over to Craigslist, and we're going to log in into my account, one of my accounts. So the account that I have for today is this one right here. So I know this is the account that I'm supposed to be using today because I used this one yesterday. So now let me go. So we're using Orlando. as a city. So you need to go to the place where you change your IP address. For example, if you change your IP to California, to a city in California, you need to go to California and actually click the city that you change your IP to. So let me go to Florida, and I'm going to pick Orlando. Here we go. Okay, so now we're in Orlando, and I'm gonna activate my LastPass. As you can see, this is LastPass. I'm gonna click the put my password in there, and I'm gonna click login, and now my LastPass is on. So when I go to my account, okay, as you can see, it already entered my information. So this is the account that I'm supposed to be using for today. So I'm going to choose the account. There you go, and click login. Now, one of the things that you should know about CraigsList is, you can see I have a this is a brand new account that I started, but I already have tons of ads to renew, and new ads that I can post now. But the thing about CraigsList is that you should never get attached to your ads. You know, if one of your ads get flagged or deleted for some reason, don't worry about it. Just post 3 more ads on the next 48 hours, and you'll be fine. You know, don't get attached to your ads. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to renew all these ads, and what this means is that these ads are actually gonna be posted again on the same city that I posted before by itself. And as you can see, these are different cities. So I simply go here and click renew, and this might actually take a while because I'm doing a lot of stuff at the same time. So I'm gonna go back and renew again, multiple ads. So this is what you need to do on a daily basis when it comes to renewing ads and posting ads on multiple accounts. This is how you're going to get a lot of people to your website very fast. Now, once you have the process going and you have multiple accounts, multiple accounts and posting different ads and renewing different ads, in 2-3 weeks you could have an account with 20, 30, 45 ads at the same time. So let me keep renewing these ads, and keep renewing, and let's see. So you get the idea. Renew the old ads and then post new ones to make sure that you get more traffic. Now, if you have 20-30 ads in a single account, that could mean 200-300 visitors per day to your website. So think about it, 200 visitors per day could really mean $100 to $200 per day, basically, using our system. So it's all about what you're willing to do, how much effort you're putting into this, into promoting this actual program. If you do this, if you follow the instructions, if you follow our training, I can guarantee you that you're gonna get results. So now we have renewed all the ads that we had pending. Now we're gonna post some new ads, and for this, now after you have renewed all your ads, you go back to CraigsList, and it still says Orlando, so we're still in Orlando, and we're gonna go to actually post an ad. Now there's 3 places that I actually like to post, and that is customer service, marketing and PR, and sales. Those are the 3 places that I would say that get the best result, mainly because people who are looking for this type of sales and marketing already has some experience on earning commissions and promoting stuff. So, but you can post on basically any section of CraigsList that you want. I would just advise to stick to those 3, or you can go to for example, you can go and post also on software, you can post on web and info design, you can post on multiple cities and multiple categories. So now that we have that out of the way, let's actually go and post to classifieds. And I'm just gonna post one ad to show you the process, and well, actually, let me give you an example of what I mean by that. So as you can see, we're in Orlando, and it says price per category is $25. So we're not gonna post here, mainly because we don't want to pay $25 for each posting. We want to post it for free. So let me go back and show you. Let's go to the surrounding cities of Orlando, and we're gonna post there. So we're gonna go to let's go to Ocala, which is very close to Orlando. We're gonna click there, and we're gonna click where it says post to classifieds. Now this because we're actually our IP is located in Orlando. Ocala is right next to it, so it really doesn't matter if you're not actually in the exact location. You can still post using hide my ads. So let's go to job offer, and we're gonna click abide by these guidelines, and now we're gonna choose our category. So let me go over to marketing and advertising. Now this is just as an example. I'm gonna show you what I actually put on the ads. Now some of the things that you should keep in mind is your title always should be different on every single ad that you post. You cannot have the same title for every single ad, because your ad might actually get ghosted or flagged. Ghosted means is that CraigsList will actually tell you that the ad is live, and then when you go search for the ad, you can't find it anywhere. So what you need to do is use a different title every single time that you post an ad. So in this case, we're gonna do and type work from home marketing reps needed. And you can switch around the titles to make them unique every single time you post. Now for the posting section, there's multiple ways that you can do this. For example, we actually provide you with banners, image banners already with your code in it, so you don't have to create any type of ads or anything. But here's the thing, the problem is CraigsList doesn't really not CraigsList, but the people actually browsing the jobs will actually see the image and flag your ad, so it might actually get deleted. So I'm going to show you what they look like so you can see what I mean. But a simple way that I found to avoid getting my ads flagged is by using tags with HTML code, and I'm going to show you what that looks like in just a minute. But let me just log in here and show you. Let me log in and show you. Okay, so it's a little bit slow because I'm using a lot of stuff at the same time. So I'm going to go to banners right here. Excuse me. And these banners, if you copy the HTML code on the bottom of the banners, you can actually go on CraigsList and you can post it here in the description area, and it's gonna show the image. And when people go to the image and they click on it, it's gonna take them to your website. Basically, you don't have to do any type of let me show you what they look like. So this is what I mean. So for example, I can go here and click select copy, and it's already coded with your referral link, paste it here, and I'm good to go. But you can use this method. It works sometimes it doesn't, but what I found is that you can use this method too, and this is what I'm using right now because I'm actually getting some very better results with this method. And let me show you what I mean. I simply take the ad. I'm gonna copy and paste it just to show you what it looks like. And let me actually it's supposed to change this to my website. So if you go to my daily income formula and you actually go to the replicated website area right here, you'll find your unique my replicated website URL. You copy that, and that's gonna be your unique website URL, and you paste it there. As you can see, now make sure that it has the HTTP. So this is what it's gonna look like, and as you can see, it's very simple. This is a very simple ad that I'm posting. Let me, yeah, okay, this is a very simple ad. Let me fix it a little bit. So we're looking for people that want to work part-time hours. Compensation is based upon your efforts, and says some of the benefits, and it says, if interested, please click here to apply and receive more information. Now this is the code that I'm talking about, guys. This little code, if you actually get it, you can get it from Craigslist. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, I'm going to post below this video the code where you can just paste the referral link from here. You can paste it below this video. You'll find the code, so you can just copy and paste it, and that's it. And then you simply replace the area with your referral link. So once you have your ad already created, now make sure that every single time you're going to post an ad on Craigslist, that you change something in the description of your ad. Now for example, I can just remove this and it's gonna be a unique ad because I changed something. So change, maybe 2-3 times, create some different ads and post them. Now once you go down to compensation, I'm gonna choose commission base. I'm gonna click continue, and now it's gonna say done with images. And it says, as you can see, work from home marketing reps needed. And when they click here, if you're interested, please click here. What's gonna happen is they're actually gonna go to my replicated website, and this is where they're gonna go. They're gonna go to your replicated website with your referral link. So when they put their email address, you're gonna get credit with that lead. So as you can see, very simple, not complicated at all. This actually works, and we're gonna click on publish. Now this is the key part that you should remember. It's going to ask you to confirm your email address, confirm your ad through email. So when you're posting, I'm only doing one today, but when you're posting an ad, when you're posting 3 ads, do not, and I repeat, do not log in to your email address when Hide My Ads is on, because right now it's on. And when you do that, it happened to me in the past, so that's why I'm saying it. When you do that, Gmail is going to say, hey, someone actually tried to log in into your account from this location, and it's going to ask you to change your password. It's going to ask you to do this and that to verify your account, because you're actually using another IP address from another location. So do not log in into your email account. Just post the 3 ads, and when it says, confirm your email address, don't worry about it. Just ignore it for the moment and just finish posting. Now I'm gonna do that just to show you what I do, but once you do that, simply log out. Log out right here once you actually, after you post the ad, and once you actually log out, we're going to close the browser again. I'm actually gonna close the browser. Let me close it, and then I'm going to clean my browsing histories and cookies again before I log in into my email and confirm that ad posted. This is why you need to do that, because let me disconnect here, because you can log into your email from your regular IP address and nothing's gonna happen. But if you log in using Hide My Ads, Gmail is gonna say, hey, someone's trying to to hack into your email, and they don't know that it's actually you using another IP address. So now that I have that done, let me go and open a new tab. Now Hide My Ads is off, it's not working anymore. So let me just confirm that. Now if I go to where's my IP address, and I go to here, and it says my regular IP address, so we're good to go. Now we're gonna go to Gmail, and let me, okay, so the email that we use was that one, so we're gonna go and here we go, and we're gonna actually log into that. Okay, thanks for the moment. Okay, so I'm inside my email, and as you can see, this is the ad that we posted. Work from home marketing reps needed. So I go here and I click the link to confirm that I'm posting this ad. It's gonna say now do not log into your Craigslist account. It says log into your account. Don't do that. Just click where it says accept the terms of use, and that's it. It says thanks for posting with us, we really appreciate it. So guys, this is the process that I personally use to post on multiple cities in the United States. Now of course that it might look complicated now, but once you actually get the hang of it, this could only take you 30 minutes to do, or less really. For me, it takes me about 15 minutes to just log in, post the 3 ads, turn off, hide my ads, clean my cookies, and then log in back to my email and confirm those 3 ads. Now when you're actually confirming, I only have 1 right now, but you need to wait at least 3 minutes before confirming each of those ads, because then Craigslist is gonna say, hey, you're posting too fast. And as you can see, I got one of my ads removed, and that's fine. I don't have a problem with that. I'm posting 3 more ads today, so that's no big deal. So as you can see, once you actually have posted that ad, Craigslist is gonna give you a link to see your ad in action. Now what you need to do is you need to wait. Sometimes when you're posting outside your city, multiple cities using an IP address, it could take up to 45 minutes to see your ad on there. So be patient. Be patient. Wait. If it's been more than 3 hours or 2 hours and your ad is still not in that location, then that means your ad has been ghosted. So you can just delete that ad and then post another one to replace that ad. So let me go where it says Ocala, and we're gonna go to marketing and PR, and as you can see, my ad is not there yet. It's not there yet. It's gonna take a little bit. It's probably gonna take 30 minutes or so, but once it does, it's gonna show up there. I can guarantee you that. So this is the process that I've been using, guys. Now let's talk about some of the notes that you should probably have some questions about, and let's talk about some of the things. So always use different titles for your ads. Always you do that. You can always change a word or 2, but always do that. Number 2, always rotate your ads so they're not flagged as duplicate. So make sure that you're posting different type of ads. They don't have to be long. I'm gonna post an example below this video, and make sure that you can modify the ad however you want. And number 3, actually put 2 number 2s there. Number 3, never post more than 3 ads per account in less than 48 hours. So that's why I'm saying that you need at least 3 accounts, because it's gonna make your life a lot easier. Then make sure that you renew older ads that have not been ghosted. So if you see that your ad it's actually live on Craigslist, and then go back to those ads and renew them just like you saw me do, and then you're gonna have more ads actually live on your account. So you're gonna have a bunch of ads. If you have an account with 30, 40, 50 ads on your account, that could be a lot of traffic for your website. Then the next one, after posting, go back and check that your ads are live. So this is exactly what I'm going to be doing. I'll probably go back in about 30 minutes or an hour and make sure that the ad is actually live. Then we're gonna go to number 5, always clear your cookies and browsing history before logging into multiple accounts. So that's why I'm saying that you need this little tool called CCleaner, and you can get it for free. Number 6, always confirm that your IP has changed when using Hide My Ass software. So what you need to do is go on Google, just like I did, type where's my IP address. It's gonna take you to that website. I think it's called wheremyipaddress.com. So there you can confirm that your IP has actually changed, and below this video you'll find a link that I'm going to post so you can go and download Hide My Ass. Now the 7, when using Hide My Ass to post in different cities, don't confirm your ads via email until you have finished posting. And that's exactly what I did right now. As you saw, what I did is close the browser. I actually cleaned the cookies and turn off hide my ads, and then I logged back in to my email account and confirm the ad from that account. So the number 8, keep track of all your CraigsList accounts and the last time you posted in them. So that's exactly what I'm doing here, guys. As you can see, what I'm doing is I have the email, multiple emails, and I have the dates that I posted on that account, the last date that I actually posted on that account. So this is gonna help you keep track of where you have posted. So this is it, guys. This is actually very simple. Like I said, the link for hide my ass is gonna be below this video. The ad, the dummy ad that you can copy and modify for posting on CraigsList is gonna be below this video as well. If you have some questions about any of the stuff that I actually mentioned on this video, make sure that you go to our Facebook group. And I'm gonna log in just to show you. Log in to show you to our Facebook group right here. In our Facebook group, you're going to you can ask questions to other members. You can talk about anything related to our system, and probably you'll find someone that can help you, either myself or someone else, someone that can actually answer the questions for you. So hopefully this, I know this training is a little bit long, but hopefully this training has helped you, and hopefully you have now the knowledge to actually go on CraigsList and start posting ads, start getting a ton of traffic and a ton of leads to actually start making money using our system. Alright, so let me show you something really quickly. This is an ad that I actually posted from another account, and as you can see, the ad is actually live on that city. So what I'm showing you guys, this actually works. It's all about you taking action, put in the work, go through this video as many times as you need, and take notes if you have to, and if you go on Facebook and ask me any questions that you have about this CraigsList marketing method. And I'm telling you, this actually works, because this is how I make between $50, $100, even $200 in a single day by simply following this, doing this every day. It only takes about 30 minutes to an hour to do, and and you can use this to really make a very nice income. So guys, hopefully I have provided value to you. Hopefully you have learned a lot from what I'm doing here, and I hope that you use this information and make a lot of money using our system, and you can help a lot of other people make money as well. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys on some of the training videos. Bye bye now.